I live in one of the new apartments here. It's beautiful. On the second floor, I've been here like 14 years. It's bigger space. It's not no small space. It's comfortable. Oh, the bathrooms is so big. They did a beautiful job.
Housing authorities across the state are really sort of the bones and the safety net for some of our most vulnerable New Yorkers. And we are lucky to have partners who can take on what are really complicated and complex projects like this one and be able to do them so well. I'm excited to show you Steamboat 20. This is a project that was redeveloped by the Albany Housing Authority here in downtown Albany. And it's a beautiful apartment, 2 bedrooms. It is very big, and it's definitely an apartment that a family could move into and raise their kids here and stay for a long time. So let's go take a look. This would be the dining room. This would be the living room. And then let's look at the view of the Hudson River. While this apartment has an incredible view, what we're most proud of is what happens inside, which is the family gets to call this apartment home, and it's affordable for them.